friendly English learning podcast. I'm Ken.
And I'm Evelyn. Today we're diving into something I know a lot of you have been waiting for: how to speak English fluently in just 10 minutes a day.
That's right, 10 minutes. It sounds small, right? But trust me, when done consistently, it can make a huge difference.
And we're not just talking about any practice. We'll share tips, tricks, vocabulary, mini dialogues, fluency exercises, and more. By the end of this episode, you'll have tools to practice English effectively every single day.
So grab your notebook, relax, and let's get started.
All right, let's start with today's vocabulary. These are words and phrases that will help you sound natural and confident. We have 18 words today, so pay close attention.
Here's the first batch. Consistent, doing something regularly. Incremental, small steps leading to improvement. Fluency, the ability to speak smoothly and confidently. Habit forming, creating routines that stick. Mindset, your attitude or way of thinking. Immerse, to completely surround yourself in a language. Active practice, practicing speaking, not just listening. Confidence booster, something that helps you feel more confident. Retention, how well you remember what you learn. Self-discipline, the ability to stick to your goals.
And here's the second batch. Motivation, the drive to keep going even when it's hard. Pronunciation, how clearly and accurately you say words. Intonation, the rise and fall of your voice when speaking. Context, the situation or environment where a word is used. Vocabulary expansion, learning and adding new words. Repetition, doing something again and again to remember it. Active listening, paying full attention when someone speaks. Language immersion, surrounding yourself with English in daily life.
That's quite a list, isn't it? Don't worry, we're going to make it easy and fun to remember all of them.
Exactly. Let's move to examples next.
Okay, let's go through each word with examples. Repeat after us in your head or out loud if you want to practice.
First word, consistent. If you're consistent with your 10-minute practice every day, you'll see improvement.
Next, incremental. Learning English in incremental steps is much easier than trying to do everything at once.
Fluency. Watching English TV shows helps your fluency naturally.
Habit forming. Repeating phrases every morning is a habit-forming exercise that sticks.
Mindset. A positive mindset makes learning English fun and exciting.
Immerse. Try to immerse yourself in English by reading, listening, and speaking every day.
Active practice. It's not enough to just listen. Active practice, like speaking, recording, or talking to a friend, is key.
Confidence booster. Recording yourself speaking is a confidence booster because you can track your progress.
Retention. Reviewing your notes daily improves retention of new vocabulary.
Self-discipline. It takes self-discipline to stick to daily practice, but the results are worth it.
Now the second batch. Excited.
Motivation. Listening to podcasts or reading inspiring stories can increase your motivation.
Pronunciation. Practice saying tricky words slowly to improve pronunciation.
Intonation. Your intonation helps your speech sound natural. Don't be afraid to raise or lower your voice.
Context. Understanding the context of a word helps you use it correctly.
Vocabulary expansion. Try to learn 3 to 5 new words a day for steady vocabulary expansion.
Repetition. Repetition is key. Repeat words in sentences to make them stick.
Active listening. Focus fully when someone speaks. Active listening helps you respond naturally.
Language immersion. Surround yourself with English in songs, movies, and conversations. Language immersion accelerates learning.
That was a lot, but don't worry, we'll show you how to use these words together naturally next.
Let's try a dialogue using these words. Imagine two friends talking.
Friend A, I wanted to improve my English, but I'm so busy.
Start with incremental practice, just 10 minutes a day. Being consistent is better than trying to do everything at once.
That sounds easy, but how do I keep myself motivated?
Try language immersion. Watch English shows, listen to podcasts. It's a confidence booster, and it helps with active listening too.
And if you forget a word, it's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. That's where self-discipline comes in. Keep practicing, and your retention will improve.
Here's another mini dialogue using more words.
Friend A, I keep mispronouncing words. I sound weird.
Don't worry. Focus on pronunciation and intonation. Repeat words slowly and exaggerate sounds at first. That's a small tip that really works.
I'll try that. What about vocabulary?
Learn a few new words each day. Use repetition and active practice. Trust me, your fluency will improve faster than you think.
See, by mixing vocabulary naturally in conversations, you practice fluency, confidence, and comprehension all at once.
And here's a mini tip. Don't just memorize words. Use them in sentences. Talk to yourself and repeat aloud. It sticks better than reading silently.
Okay, it's fluency time. Ready, listeners? Repeat after us.
Let's start with a simple paragraph. Every day, I spend 10 minutes practicing English. I focus on incremental improvements and stay consistent. This small habit helps me build fluency, confidence, and self-discipline.
Now, let's add a twist. Replace small habit with routine or daily practice and see how it changes the sentence.
Try it out loud. Every day, I spend 10 minutes practicing English. I focus on incremental improvements and stay consistent. This daily practice helps me build fluency, confidence, and self-discipline.
Good! Notice how small changes make your English sound more natural?
Mini tip: record yourself. Listening back lets you hear mistakes and celebrate improvements. It's an amazing confidence booster.
Another exercise. Imagine you're at a cafe. Use these words: motivation, immersion, active practice, pronunciation. Make a short sentence or two aloud.
For example, my motivation to speak English grows when I immerse myself in English podcasts. I do active practice every day and focus on my pronunciation.
Don't worry. If it feels slow, fluency grows with practice, not overnight. Remember, repetition is your best friend.
So, here's what to take away today. Consistency beats long, irregular sessions. 10 minutes every day works. Active practice is essential. Speak, record, and repeat. Mini tips: immerse yourself. Use new words in sentences and don't fear mistakes. Mindset matters. Stay motivated, encourage yourself, and celebrate small wins. Vocabulary expansion: learn 3 to 5 words daily and use them in conversations.
Remember, fluency isn't about perfection. It's about confidence, consistent practice, and enjoying the process. And if you keep following these steps, your retention, pronunciation, and fluency will improve faster than you expect.
That's all for today's episode of Dawn Dash.
Thank you for joining us. Practice your 10 minutes today. It's small but powerful.
Subscribe, share with friends, and keep dashing forward with your English.
Until next time, remember, every word you speak is a step toward fluency. Keep smiling and keep practicing.
Bye for now.
Bye!